Okay, so I guess we'll start with the mirror. So this mirror is actually not part of the vanity. It didn't come with the vanity, and it's also not from, sorry, I don't know how to do this. It's also not from Impressions Vanity. I actually got it off of eBay. It was around, I think I got it from the seller for about $200. It was the biggest one that I could find, so this is the one that I'm going up with. Eventually, I do want to replace these bulbs with the clear ones just because I kind of like that look. But for now, this is what it looks like. It's cool because you can also dim it. So, yeah, we're just going to leave the lights dimmed just a little bit for now. But yeah, this is the mirror. I'll try to find the link to it down below. Over here on the left side of my vanity, I have these like two little drawers, which in the top drawer I have like mascaras, eyeliners, some like brow stuff, but mostly just like those things right here. In the second drawer I have more like tools, like eyelash curlers, some tweezers, some scissors, those things. So there are stores in my mall called Miniso, and that's where I got that. Right above it, I have this little lipstick organizer, which I think I got from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. You can find a ton of these like type organizers from places like Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And then this is from an Etsy seller. I don't know who or what. I ordered it through somebody else, so yeah, that's that. I can try and find a link to it, but this is from like Etsy, and you can get like different colors and stuff, and I just thought that like the pink was cute. I hold all of my lip liners in here, and then I just hold some lipsticks. Probably like my most worn are up here, so that's that. And then right behind here I just have a little phone stand for whenever I want to like film a story or take a selfie or something. I have a couple coasters burning, and I have this candle which I got as a gift, and it smells like roses, which I'm not a huge fan of roses, but it's cute, it's pretty, so I have it burning there. Over on this side is this mirror, which there's me looking real hot. This mirror I got as a gift, but I think it's from Costco. It just like is like one of these like typical mirrors, and it has like a magnifying side on the other side. So this is from Costco. I'm pretty sure I got it as a gift for my birthday one year, so yep. And then over here I keep all of my brushes. This doesn't go here. It's part of like for my Pilates class, but yeah, these are all my brushes that I own. I have a lot. I need to really like go through them and declutter some because this is an excessive amount. But yeah, that is what I keep on top. And then my chair is actually, my boyfriend got it for me from OfferUp, but it's from IKEA. I think they still sell it, so I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. I forget what it's called, but it's the clear like ghost chair. I really wanted something clear so that it looked less bulky, because when I remove this pillow, it just like doesn't look as bulky because my room is really small. So yeah, in case you're wondering, this pillow is from Ross. It's very fuzzy and it like leaves a lot of lint. I don't recommend, but I think it's cute for like you know, with pops of pink. So yeah, I just keep that there and it makes the chair a little bit more comfy. On to the main drawer. So this vanity is actually from Impressions Vanity. It is the SlayStation tabletop and then the 5 drawers. I got it during 4th of July because they were having a sale, and I think it's really pretty with like the rhinestone knobs and then like the glass top up here. I really don't keep any makeup. I mean, I keep some sunglasses up in this first drawer. I just don't know what to put up here. Like, I want it to be pretty, but I don't really know. And then in the main drawer, I keep a picture of obviously the queen, the one and only, and then I have these like star confettis that I got in one of her packages when I like ordered merch. So yeah, and then over here I keep like literally cat ear headbands, like nothing exciting. I just really don't know what to put up here, so please, if you have any ideas, let me know. But yeah, you can order this as just the tabletop and it will come with like 2 just legs. You don't have to get the drawers, or you can just order the drawers separately, however you like. They have a ton of different options. I will say that for the price, the quality is not there. I definitely think that you can get something better for a lot cheaper. Like, this is literally IKEA furniture. You have to build everything. The instructions are terrible. And the other day, one of my one of the fronts of my drawers, I think it was that one, like I just pulled it out and the whole like front piece came off. So, and then also these little pieces right here, some of them don't even, like, the measurements are off and they don't completely screw in all the way. So it's kind of annoying for how much you pay for this thing, but other than that, it is really, really nice. But just so you guys know, it's made out of laminate, which is the same stuff that IKEA furniture is made out of. So anyway, moving on. In this first drawer, I'm not going to go too into detail, but in this first drawer, I just keep some like basics. Like, I keep makeup wipes, alcohol wipes, like some hand sanitizer, brush cleaner, alcohol, Q-tips, my sponges, some lip balms, you know, stuff that I kind of use all the time. So that's in that first drawer on the left side. This drawer consists of all of my lip products. I definitely went through them all when I was moving all of my makeup and got rid of a ton. I probably could have gotten rid of more, but yeah, these organizers I got from, I think, TJ Maxx, and then this one I think is from like the Dollar Tree. I really want to get new organizers because some of these are just like dingy and gross. Like, look at that, they're just like stained. But yeah, I have those for now. Third drawer on the left, I keep my bigger palettes and I keep some like glitters. This organizer I just got recently. It's from the Dollar Tree. It's actually really nice. I have some glitters, some like ColourPop stuff, some more just like random eyeshadows, and then my palettes that don't really have an organizer right now. They're just kind of here, highlighting palettes and things like that. So that's this drawer. It's kind of random, honestly. Let's see. The fourth drawer in the drawer set, this is a black towel that I use to like put out when I'm actually like doing my makeup so I don't, you know, dirty the top. But this is basically my eyelash drawer. This is where I keep all of my lashes. I kind of have a lot, so yeah, eyelash drawer. And then this bottom drawer, I keep like my nail stuff, and I keep extra coasters for when like I have visitors. If they like want water or something, I give them a coaster so it doesn't ruin the other furniture. I have some like regular nail polish in this box, my LED lamp, some gel polish, remover, nail clippers, and just like all that. So that is what I have in this first set of drawers. Alright, so now we are moving to the right side of the vanity. So again, this drawer had the sunglasses, and then this first drawer from the drawer set has all of my powders and setting sprays. As you can see, I have a lot of powder because my face is oily and I can't not wear powder, so I have a lot. The second drawer has more like random things. Lighter for candles. I have like extra concealer, eyebrow gel, eyebrow pencils, like just like little samples that I get. Let's see. These are like blotting sheets. Some primers, concealers, primers, brow stuff. All of my concealers, I think, and then eyelash glue. I have a lot of eyelash glue because I'm allergic and I tried literally everything on the market, but nothing seems to work, so LOL at my life. Third drawer, I keep blushes, bronzers, highlights, and then all of my foundations. So that's that. I want to get like an organizer for my foundations, but I haven't been able to find something that I like and that works. This drawer has all of my eyeshadow palettes. This one is out of order. These are all my eyeshadows. It's kind of crazy, like when you move your makeup, like you realize how much eyeshadow you actually like have. So yeah, that is all of my eyeshadow palettes. And then this last drawer has just a bunch of junk, like my fan. I have some extra like face masks, extra Q-tips, my contacts, some of these like clips that like aren't supposed to crease your hair, my toothbrush charger, like extra beauty blenders, like just a bunch of random things. But that's basically it, you guys. Nothing super exciting going on over here, but I try to make the top look aesthetically pleasing, so I keep it very minimal, and I try to keep from like putting things on it, because I also like to do I also use this as an actual desk. I'll do like my schoolwork on here, so I like to keep the top very just clean and simple. I do want to add some kind of like flowers, but I don't know where to put it so it doesn't look cluttered. But anyway, yeah, I'll be sure to link the Vanity down below. This isn't sponsored by Impressions Vanity. I just paid for this with my own money. I'll link it though, and then I'll also try and find a link to the mirror that I used. I did have to kind of like jimmy rig it on here. Like I had to buy these like little clear bumpers in order for it to stay, because it's not completely leveled with the vanity top isn't completely leveled. It's hard to explain, but anyway, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my vanity tour. Let me know what you guys would like to see from me next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.